Hi guys, so today we're going to do a video review of Total Delivery Service on the Xbox One X. Here we go! So this is the game. It's called Total Delivery Service and you play these characters and you have to go and collect the items which you'll see. So here we go. So the game's loading. We've only played this a couple of times, but it's been really good, hasn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna be second player of the obviously. There's different thing that
And it's made by Tiny Build.
Yeah, but there's also another thing.
There's another thing.
And
what's the other thing?
It is 4-player.
Oh, it's 4-player. Right, let's get to the game. How do you... Alright, here we go. So, delivery tip. Don't play. Need a break from work? Try rides by the beach. Booster club at the stadium or sledding down the window boot. What's the booster club?
I don't know.
We haven't tried the booster club yet, so we'll try that out. Don't forget, if you do like game reviews, subscribe to this channel. And actually, we're going to start making lots of game reviews, aren't we? So, yeah. I'm the one on the left.
Would be called the channel should be called Lana. Thereby, I think it should.
What, my character? Right.
No.
You got the box? Where's the box?
Yeah.
Right, now then you pick up the box from that machine and then you're going to place it into there.
Out of the way.
And we got $25 for doing that.
£4.
And then we're going to move on to the next one.
Which I am holding this umbrella.
Scott's got the umbrella, I've got the forklift.
Just if I had to launch myself somewhere.
Right, you go and get this next pack. Where are you going? You're the wrong way.
What?
You're on the wrong way.
I want to launch myself somewhere.
I wanted to get the packet. Oh man, have I got to do all these myself? Okay.
You know what? I'm going to the airport.
I can't even use the machine. Oh, I've got it. How do I zoom in? I'm like, oh, I fell over now. I'm like a bazillion mile. Oh, I'm swearing or something.
I just knocked myself out.
Right, I'm going to pick this box up. Now, they've given me that yellow truck, but I tried it last time with the truck. It didn't work, so I'm going to take this forklift instead. Do I want to push it on a bit more?
I did a backflip or front flip.
I'm going to try and push this on a bit more. And fail at that. So, oh, that'll do. Right, so I'm going to get in the forklift now. You're not really assisting, may I say, in this game. So, how would we review the game? What do we think? Why are you flying a plane?
I don't know, I just wanted to.
Well, I think we're meant to be actually collecting the packets and stuff. Oh my god, what have you done now? Well, whilst Scott's messing around, I'm driving a forklift truck very slowly. So I
felt like we were supposed to come here. I don't know.
I felt like we were meant to deliver the packet. So the game's very easy to play. It's lots of fun.
Ow! I'm in a bush.
He's in a bush. I'm driving a forklift truck. And it's not the fastest forklift truck. Oh. But we haven't lost anything yet, so that's good. Oh. It's a bit wobbly. Maybe I should have slowed down at the corners.
What's that? Why noise that?
Oh,
what's this?
I think that's a tornado. Hey, you got 250, but how am I going to get this thing on there?
I knocked myself out.
I need to pull that back down there. Okay, here we go. Let's get this packet back on.
Knocked myself out again.
Let's get this packet back onto the forklift. Where's the bottom of the forklift gone? I'm going to take this other forklift truck. In fact, I think I'm actually quicker running with the packet than the forklift truck. So we're just going to run with the packet. And we're going to where you can see there the trophy, which indicates the way to go.
Yeah.
Without sounding like that guy, how come you're not really helping me?
Because I want to do the tornado and I want to do the hot air balloon.
Yeah. I like it when you actually, are useful. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. So, little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more. And I'm nearly there. And then I'm going to show you something totally cool.
You're so far away from me.
Yeah, you know this is like a 2-player game. It's not just meant to be messing around. I've had to do all the work, collecting all the packets. And I'm going to put this
I
one...
had to try and get the hot air balloon.
We made £10 there. Right, so... If you go up here... Ooh! There's a gap in the bridge. Oh no, what am I to do? I don't know what to do, so I'm going to come down here. Oh, that's a wall. That's another wall. And I'm going to take this control
Just standing on there.
Control panel, and I'm going to press that. It's not doing anything. Do I have to press both buttons here? Right. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's high. Oh man! Am I dead? Will I never see my kids again? Oh, there's a helicopter.
Can you see something flying in the sky?
Yeah, you stay there. I'm going to come and find you. Seeing as you're doing no work, I may as well do no work also. I just need to not crash and die. Right, where are you?
And I just need to not land in a river.
Where are you? Oh! This is harder than it looks. Where are you?
I'm going down right now.
Are you there? Are you there? Oh, there you are. So, you can jump from your balloon.
I believe I can fly.
Oh, hang on.
I believe I can touch the sky.
Hang on, it's all going horribly wrong.
Yeah. And luckily I didn't knock myself out. I didn't get brain damage or something at all.
Oh, I'm kind of like... I've got some technical issues here.
Stay with me.
Oh, I found you. Catch me. You didn't catch me.
Bruh. I was supposed to save that aeroplane.
Hey, we're fine.
Now there's a bell missing on that bridge.
I'm dead. Help me. Help me. Help me. Ooh, there's a ramp.
Oh?
A ramp. Hey.
Ah!
Hey. 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 Hey.
I won't
Hey.
chance that open up.
So, you can't swim on this game, if that's what you're thinking. But what you can do, though, is...
Drive.
Jump a monster truck beach buggy thing over the ramp. Right, who's driving it?
Sorry, they more room.
Come back. You're such a jerk sometimes. And that's what happens when you show off. This is why I shouldn't be shit. There's a big rog. Rog? What the hell's a rog? A log.
What?
They rolled down that hill. Right. Watch and learn, boys and girls.
No, there isn't.
There was.
No, there isn't.
Watch and learn, everybody. Remember. Oh, what the? Remember, don't try this at home. So,
What?
like, don't go and buy yourself a beach buggy and then try and jump it over a thing. If you've got room at your house. Most people don't have room, but I'm not saying it. Where's the ramp? I'm facing the. Whoa!
We both crashed.
I don't know. I did crash, yeah. So when you're not busy, I need to do this. This is my
I need to see this.
main goal in life. If I can only ever do one thing in life, it would be to do this, and possibly never to have children.
Bruh.
Alright. Here we go.
I'm not grabbing anything, but I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh, yeah, that didn't work. That really didn't work. And now I'm stuck. Maybe we should get back to the task in hand. That is not going to jump up anything.
It did.
You just killed yourself.
I had sludge.
You just literally killed yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, so they can get a new task here. I'm going to go and get it. Let's get it.
Look. It's an umbrella.
I don't know how to use this machine. I'm just like pumping it. Come on, machine.
Just like when there's already one being done.
Oh, where is the packet we're meant to be delivering? This is the worst.
It's a bomb!
It's
What do you want me to do? It's a flipping bomb.
Collect it, man.
Why do you want me to collect a bomb?
Well, because you're right next to it and I'm not. Man. I survived coronavirus to play this game. What the hell? What have you got?
It's an umbrella with a spinny thing on top.
I'm running really fast now. Oh, hang on. Where's the packet? There's the packet there. It is. Oh, shh. It's a Rubik's Cube. I can't pick anything up. This is like a camping place. Ah. You know where you put the bomb, don't you?
What?
I reckon you put the bomb on that campfire thing. Oh no, it's a gas. It's a gas cylinder.
I'm just flying in the air.
Delivered to the
I'm
outhouse.
flying in the air. I'm gonna crash.
This thing must weigh a ton. Where's the outhouse?
I have no clue, but I'm gonna get run over.
Where's the... hang on. Oh man, it's miles away.
You're doing now. I'm trying to get back up.
You're not really helping. This thing weighs a ton.
Yeah, but you're not
I don't
really
know.
helping much of helping me get up.
I've
Do you know who will
got,
help me?
oh. Gravity?
No,
Jesus?
no, this.
I need to cross this bridge. Oh, it weighs so much. At least I won't need to go to the gym. I'm scratching it. Oh, don't scratch it too much because it'll explode and we'll all die.
And also, Easter's a bunch of times, so you fly up in space. I'm just joking, don't do that.
Right, okay, here we go. No, don't roll away. Don't, oh, I'm on top of it. It's still rolling away. Grab it. Stop rolling away. I can't grab it.
But I'm flying.
I can't grab this thing. I've got it now. I've got it. I'm going to stick it in. Come on. Damn you. Ah. Yeah. Come on. Yes.
You think when you go up,
Whew!
just a normal one.
Well,
But no, you float.
well, there we go, guys. There's our review of the delivery game. We
Yeah.
hope you've enjoyed it, and we highly recommend it. It's lots and lots and lots and lots of fun. So, goodbye.